My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, today is episode number, I think this is 3. And episode 3 is BoxyCharm Premium. We've already done the base box, and so now we are doing the premium box. Now, I must start off by telling you, if you remember, and I will link that video up at the top, the Mani MUA palette. Mine was in some kind of way. Okay, that's how I'm gonna leave that. And so I don't have that to use in this particular video, but I want to update you. I contacted BoxyCharm about it. They were on it. They've already sent out a new palette, and I appreciate them. I appreciate their customer service for reaching out to me. It was amazing, and it was an amazing experience. So I do thank you, BoxyCharm, for that. But since I do not have that, this eyeshadow look right here, I used, well, let's just go in order. So my skin, I've been using this for about a week now. This is the Biro New York Bitter Green Essence Toner, and I must admit it's working out pretty good. I'm still trying to get used to the smell, but it doesn't linger, so I'm okay with that. So this was item number 1. Yes, I did use that before we did this. Then, without an eyeshadow palette, I had to improvise. So I used this, not just for my blush, because this is the Kanaya Antervos Beauty Blush and Shine Kit. So this is what I used, not just for this lovely blush and highlight, but also to create this eye look, okay? And this right here, I understand now why they call it the no makeup lipstick. I know now why they call it the no makeup lipstick. This is amazing. I did not put a gloss over top, as you will see in the video, but this is amazing. I will be repurchasing this item. Okay, I'm still looking down in the monitor at the lipstick, so my apologies, not trying to be rude. It's just, it feels really good. So this is the lip product that I used, and it is amazing. This is the no makeup lipstick, and this is by Perricone. I do believe, yes, Perricone MD. Amazing, amazing. Would I recommend this product? Absolutely. And then the last item I used was the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. And this is the one that I was saying to you, if you are allergic to or not a fan of coconut, this is not for you, because it does smell like coconut, and it is the coconut setting spray. So if you would like to see how this was created in episode number 3, go ahead and keep watching. for choosing to spend time with me on today. I do hope that you enjoyed watching the creating of this look. Now, I must admit, I do love the way this eye look came out. I don't think I've ever used a blush and shine kit to create an eye look before, so I do like the way it came out. And I also want to say to you, these products were a joy to work with, and I hope I gave you some ideas of looks to create using the products that were in your BoxyCharm Premium. Okay, now, also, before I say bye, don't forget to check out this month's giveaway. It's current. I think you'll love it. I will link that video above. Make sure you go and check it out and also become a part of that giveaway, okay? And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.